How to delete mobile number in your Amazon account. So first of all, log in the Amazon account and download the applications and click on the profile icon, and you will see options like your account. So click on it and scroll down and click on the login and security options. Then scroll down and you will see options like primary mobile number. So click on it, edit options. Then you will see option like old mobile number and new mobile number. So you delete mobile number, so click on the new mobile number and add your new mobile number, because you don't delete the mobile number but you change the mobile number like this mobile number, and continue option here. So continue, and enter the OTP like verify, and okay, and your mobile number is updated and your old number is deleted. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.